All right, y'all, so this is an update as far as my garden and everything that I'm growing. So for our peppers, we've been having a couple of little, trouble here and there as far as the rain, but we're growing, we're standing strong. So I will have to put like some stems in here just to hold it up in place because the soil is really moist. I took majority of the water out, but needs a lot of sunlight. And now, y'all, I thought these grapes was not gonna grow. Honey, she growing 3 leaves, 3 little flowers. So it's growing, so I'm very excited. We got our blackberries right here. Got a little taller, super excited. Blueberries right here. They're starting to blossom as far as their flowers. Strawberries are being very, very productive. They're very big. Tomatoes. Our tomatoes have been growing so fast, y'all. But we're gonna get some water for them in a second. And now we got our garlic that's right here, finally growing. We got cilantro and basil. Our green beans, our green peas are finally growing right here. We got our collard greens right here. We got our broccoli. We got celery in the middle, spinach on this side, romaine lettuce on this side, our sweet red onions. Then we have carrots growing right here. We got some more growing right here. I believe it's some more, I think it's some more trying to grow right here. And now we have our cucumbers, finally, after about like 2.5 weeks maybe, finally growing. So you all, this is just an update.